Gen Z isn't just broke. They're being set up to stay broke. The system is stacking the deck, and most people under 30 don't even realize they're walking straight into what's basically debt slavery. In this video, I'll break down the hidden forces driving Gen Z into a debt trap: student loans, credit cards, and rising costs, and the psychological tricks that keep them there. By the end, you'll see the bigger game being played and how to avoid being crushed by it. Number 1. The education trap. Gen Z was told the same story millennials heard. Go to university, take on loans, and it'll pay off later. But here's the catch. Tuition has skyrocketed while starting salaries haven't kept up. In Canada, the average undergrad leaves school owing over $28,000. In the US, it's even worse. And the jobs they're promised? Many of them require experience they can't get without working for free first. So right out of the gate, they're starting life not at zero, but deep in the red. Number 2. The credit card and BNPL trap. Gen Z is the first fully digital generation, and the banks know it. Every swipe, tap, and buy now, pay later offer is designed to feel painless. But here's the truth. Interest rates north of 20% on credit cards and sneaky late fees on Klarna and Afterpay are silently draining them. Miss one payment, and suddenly a $100 pair of sneakers costs $140. These aren't just mistakes. The system profits when they fail. Number 3. The cost of living squeeze. Rent has gone through the roof. Groceries are more expensive than ever, and wages haven't moved. In cities like Toronto or Vancouver, the average one-bedroom rent is over $2,500 a month. That's half, sometimes more than half, of a young worker's income. When survival eats up your paycheck, there's nothing left to save, which means the only way to cover gaps is debt. It's not just personal choices, it's math that doesn't work. Number 4. The psychological debt traps. Here's the part no one talks about. Debt isn't just numbers, it's mental. Banks and lenders use shame as a weapon. Miss a payment, and you're hit with fees, calls, and threats that make you feel like you failed. That guilt keeps people stuck, afraid to ask for help, afraid to negotiate. On top of that, social media pushes a lifestyle that screams, if you're not spending, you're falling behind. It's financial peer pressure on steroids. So let's be real. Gen Z isn't just careless with money. They're being cornered by a system built to profit off their struggle. Education debt, predatory credit, insane living costs, and psychological traps. It's all part of the same machine. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and drop a comment. What's the biggest money trap you've seen your friends fall into? Let's make this a place where we share the truth, not just the excuses.